Hello guys, today we will talk about PHP. So let's start with what is PHP. PHP is an open source server-side programming language or scripting language that is specially developed for web development and can be embedded into HTML. Now, what do you mean by server-side programming language? If you don't know about it, I will give you a basic information or basic idea about the server-side programming language. So, what is server-side programming language? Server-side programming language is that it's execute on server side, which means whenever you request something, it will give you response from the server. In other terms, we can say that whatever code you have written which is execute on server side, for those languages known as server side languages or server side scripting languages. Also, we can embed HTML code with PHP. Now, how to embed HTML and PHP code, that we will see in a bit. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, but its original name is Personal Home Page. PHP runs on various platforms like Linux, Windows, Unix, macOS, which is so that it's working for all of the platforms. PHP is compatible with almost all servers like Apache, IIS, etc. PHP file extends .php. Now what do you mean by this? It shows us whenever you write PHP code in particular file, you must need to save with .php extension. Now what we can do with PHP? We can generate dynamic pages with PHP. Now what do you mean by dynamic pages? You must know about it. We can handle button click. We can create database application also with PHP. We can make client server application and etc. Now let's see the example how we can write PHP with HTML. So here is an example. We can write PHP with HTML. So here is a PHP scripting tag. So here is a PHP start and PHP end tag. We must require these two tags whenever you write PHP code. All the PHP code we want to write between these two tags. And here we can write echo hello world, which means it will print hello world. So here is the information about what is PHP and basic knowledge about PHP. Hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.